You're watching Louisiana First News this morning.
Welcome back. A free health clinic is happening in Baton Rouge this weekend, offering medical, dental, and vision services. And here to share more is Councilman Clee Dunn and Tenzel Montgomery with Louisiana Healthcare Connections. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
So we know healthcare and getting access to it can be an issue for some people. So why is it so important that you guys offer free dental, medical, and vision services? That's big.
Yes, so this is a true labor of love for us. It's a project that's close to our hearts at Louisiana Healthcare Connections because we understand the impact and we understand that it's important to serve the underserved and again provide quality health care to those who need it the most. That's how we transform the lives and the health of Louisiana one person at a time.
Now, Councilman, you talk about having transportation and access, and you know the need right there in District 6. So talk about why you wanted to host this event in your community.
Yes, first of all, I have to shout out Donna Collins-Lewis and Nicole Thomas, who my office partnered with to provide this health care access to residents and members of our district and our city. Well, you know, healthcare costs in most developed nations are not as expensive as they are in the U.S. We spent some $4.9 trillion on healthcare, which is about $15,000 per person. And families are feeling that pinch. Individuals are feeling that pinch. Whether you're indigent or whether you're working, you're feeling that pinch. What it's doing is it's causing you to pick between groceries and bills and healthcare costs. So we saw that issue. We saw that need. Donna Collins-Lewis and Nicole Thomas provided this resource, and myself and others have partnered with them to make an impact on our community.
And so far, you guys have served over 7,300 people by doing these events in the community, which is great. Now, one thing I do want to point out, you don't have to have an appointment. You don't need an ID, you don't need insurance, it's completely free. So what do people need to know if they are looking to come out?
So I think it's important to know to come early, right? Okay. We have people in the past who have set in lines from 3 o'clock in the morning, you know, to get service. Oh, wow. Okay. It's important also to know that it's until capacity. So even though the clinic is open and serving people from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., sometimes that line has to get cut off because it's until, you know, our providers are at capacity. So come early. You don't have to worry about food. Louisiana Healthcare Connections has that covered for you. You don't have to worry about water. We'll be serving water and other snacks, you know, for the community. So while you're waiting, we'll make sure that you're taken care of.
And Sydney, I know you have it on the screen, but location and time is at the new Capitol High School on Greenwood Springs Road, which is formerly the Capitol Middle School. Is this Saturday, August 23rd, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
And it's a one-day event. So you guys are going to be doing eye exams, prescription glasses, cleanings, extractions, filling, chronic health management, testing, exams, all things that you would get at a regular medical facility. Now, really quickly before we wrap up, when they get there, can they expect to like register or sign up, or how do you guys keep track of that, you know, just for people to know?
So there is a registration line. So when they come in, they will register before they go to our medical clearance and medical holding. So, but again, you don't need ID, you don't need insurance. We just want to make sure that we are, you know, tracking the metrics and those people that we serve.
And if I could I thank all of our healthcare providers and professionals who come out to volunteer and provide these services, and also make an appeal to any additional healthcare professionals that want to partner and want to be a part of it. We're still taking in healthcare professionals to help us out.
Now, if people miss this event, will you guys be doing other events like this in the future?
There are definitely others. They have done at least one a year for the past 3 or 4 years. This is the second one this year, and there's also more to come.
Perfect. Well, you heard it here, and we'll have all of this information on LouisianaFirstNews.com. Of course, this is happening on Saturday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., a one-day free clinic, so you don't want to miss it. Stay right there. We'll be right back after the break with your Whisker Wednesday.